Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CarPlay if it's not working. Now open up the iPhone settings app and let's check a couple of things to make sure it's working on your phone first. So tap on General here midway down. And now if we scroll down, you'll be able to see here is CarPlay. The first thing we're going to do is tap on that. And you can see my cars. I have a couple cars here. Now let's tap on the Volvo car. And if this isn't working when you get in your car, whatever car it may be, the first thing we're going to do is hit forget this car and then forget. This will remove it from your iPhone. However, we're just going to add it back again. You can see it says set up wireless CarPlay. If your car supports it, press and hold the voice command or voice control button, and it will automatically start to sync up with your iPhone. However, if this doesn't work, you can always physically plug in your iPhone to the car. You can see a USB-C or a lightning cable to a USB to your car and see if that works. If that doesn't work from you, let's go back to the beginning of your settings and tap on Bluetooth here and make sure that Bluetooth on your iPhone is turned on. If that is turned off, it can't connect to your car's Apple CarPlay because that goes through Bluetooth. So make sure that is turned on your iPhone. And again, you should see it under your devices here. If you do see it, you can just tap on it to connect to it. If you go through these steps, but it still doesn't work, let's go to the very beginning of your settings. And from here, we're going to tap on where it says General here midway down. And now let's go down to the very bottom and we can choose to reset your network settings, which a lot of times fixes this issue. So hit Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then we're going to choose that first option, Reset. And now all we need to do is go through the process of resetting our network settings, including the connection between your phone and CarPlay on your car. So tap on Reset Network Settings, enter in the passcode for your phone, and then go through that process. Now, if that still doesn't work for you, essentially what we're going to do is do a forced restart on your phone, and then also turn off and turn back on your car as well. So to do that forced restart, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. You're going to hold it until you see the screen goes black and then an Apple logo appears. So eventually the Apple logo will appear. And when it does, just like that, I'm going to release my finger. I've done a forced restart on my iPhone, and do the same thing on your car. Just turn it off and then turn it back on, and it should be working at that point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.